Let me show document signature functionality inside DocView. DocView is document management software with integrated DocuSign e-signature functionality, enabling organizations or law firms to obtain remote, legally valid signatures from clients quickly and conveniently. E-signature functionality enhances efficiency by enabling quick, secure, and legally binding document signing online. Now go to your specific DocView website and log in. Here you can show different type of document list. Select your specific document type. You can easily search your document from different type of search filters in DocView, like case number, first name, last name, document type, document date, ID, and etc. Click on the document type you need to signature on right side. Go to the esignature fetcher and fill up the details of which persons you want to sign. Name, email address, CC name, CC, subject, request details, and select document of as needed for it. And click the send button for take esignature of your needed person. After it, here one pop-up is open for selecting on which place signature is required. Also, you can add multiple signature in one document. The signatory gets the email after. Click the review document. Give yes to I agree to use electronic records and signatures. Continue with it. Start, and also you can easily customize your signature as you want to add with select style, draw, upload. Click adopt and sign. Finish your process. After completed the process in mailbox, you get another mail about view completed document, and here is your signed document is ready. Forget signature document. Click request esignature button and refresh your feed. In the select document type you can seeing the updated document, and if you need two persons signature in one document, it's also possible. This is how easy to take signature in DocView. Thank you for your time, and I will share another DocView feature later.